The G1 digital glasses, launched by Berlin-based company Even Realities, represent a breakthrough in wearable technology, offering a seamless fusion of digital innovation and stylish everyday eyewear. Known for its focus on integrating the digital and physical realms, Even Realities has crafted the G1 to address the gap between bulky, over-featured smart glasses and underwhelming AI companions. This product is engineered to prioritize usability and comfort without compromising on digital functionality, making it an ideal companion for daily life. At the core of the G1 is a design philosophy that enhances human interaction while keeping users connected to the world around them. Specifically crafted for a diverse group of users, ranging from tech enthusiasts to busy professionals, the G1 allows for a fluid interaction with digital content without detracting from face-to-face engagements. Floating seamlessly within the user's field of vision, digital applets and tools such as AI-powered teleprompters, translation apps, and navigation guides elevate the everyday experience by providing essential information when needed, all without overwhelming the wearer. One of the standout features of the G1 is its integration with Even OS, the proprietary operating system that powers the glasses. Key functionalities include real-time language translation, hands-free note-taking, and instant messaging capabilities, all designed to enhance productivity and convenience. The G1's ability to work alongside large language models like ChatGPT further expands its versatility, enabling a range of possibilities for everyday use, from professional presentations to personal productivity. In terms of design, the G1 is crafted with both aesthetics and comfort in mind. Leveraging years of experience in luxury eyewear, the G1 features a sleek, screwless hinge, ultra-thin frame, and lightweight materials such as magnesium alloys and hypoallergenic titanium. The result is a pair of glasses that offer the same durability as regular prescription eyewear, while maintaining exceptional comfort for extended wear. The frame's adaptability extends to its lenses as well, with options for prescription or non-prescription variants, along with clip-on sunglasses for outdoor use. Technologically, the G1 is a marvel of engineering. Its display utilizes HAOS technology, powered by the smallest micro-LED optical engine projector available, ensuring that essential information is delivered with crystal-clear clarity. The advanced waveguide lenses not only offer a sharp digital display, but also integrate perfectly with prescription lenses, allowing wearers to experience optimum visual clarity without added bulk. The G1 ensures that users stay informed and connected in a way that complements rather than detracts from their everyday reality, making it a groundbreaking product for those looking to merge the digital with the physical world. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Technologies for more videos like this one.